Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to show or hide ribbon in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So you can see the ribbon is disappear. So if you want to show the ribbon, so just place the cursor on the upper side of the sheet, and here you can see green area. So just click on the left side of mouse. You can see ribbon is appear. So if you want to show only tab, so here you can see ribbon display options. So just click on it and then click on show tab only. You can see only tabs are appear. So when you will click on any one option, so you can see all options are appear. So if you want to again hide your ribbon, so just click on again ribbon display options. So you can see it is arrow option, so just click on it and you can see full screen mode. So just click on it. So you can see ribbon is again disappear. So guys, in this way you can show or hide ribbon in Excel. So if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.